How to see Wi-Fi password on Windows 11. Hello, Windows 11 users. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you a simple method to view your Wi-Fi password directly on your Windows 11 computer. Let's get started. First things first, click on Windows Start menu. Here type to search Control Panel. Hit Enter on your keyboard. In the Control Panel menu, click on Network and Internet option. Now click on Network and Sharing Center. Here click on the network that you want to view the password. Click on the wireless properties. Then, click the security. Here, you'll see a checkbox labeled Show Characters. Check this box to reveal your Wi-Fi password. And there you have it. Your Wi-Fi password is now displayed in the Network Security Key field. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Windows tips and tutorials.